Aye, mate. I thought we were gonna get bird watching it. Well, we kind of are.
Let's take a look at the Pink Robin, a linear switch from KeebsForAll, manufactured by Athleon. This Cherry MX style 5-pin switch comes with an opaque pink polycarbonate top housing and a matching pink nylon bottom housing. They come hand lubed from the factory with what I suspect is a PTFE thickened grease, either Krytox 205 or something similar. The switches come in packs of 36, priced at $24.50 or 68 cents per switch. Plus, they come in these nice little containers, a great inclusion over commonly used Ziploc bags. Taking a look at the inside of the switch, we have a 63.5 gram 2-stage spring. I've found that 2-stage springs offer a more consistent feel, from initial press through to bottom out, when compared to single-stage springs. Coupled with the choice to hand lube the springs, the result is a smooth keystroke with virtually no ping. KFA has opted for a long pole stem made of palm, resulting in a roughly 3.5mm travel distance. The factory-applied lubricant is definitely on the heavier side, as you can see. My experience was that there's a below-average amount of stem wobble. The housings are also very secure, and even after opening and closing a switch a bunch, there was not any housing wobble. I wouldn't use films on these personally, but if you're inclined to do so, I'd recommend a film on the thinner side. In my opinion, the choice of a nylon bottom and PC top housing, the long pole stem with a 2-stage spring, and the heavier amount of lube all come together to produce a nice, deeper, clacky sound on the downstroke, and a noticeably quick upstroke with an ever so slightly higher pitched top out. Despite an audible yet quiet grease on plastic-like sound on the downstroke, I'm surprised at how much I enjoy the sound of the Pink Robins. Let me know what you think after the sound test. Overall, I think KFA did a great job with the switch. They look great on their own and in the packaging, they're very reasonably priced for hand lube switches, and the long springs make what otherwise might have been a gummy feeling switch into a responsive, almost playful typing experience. Alright, let's get on to the sound test.